So we're getting ready to swap the floor mats out because conventional ones allow a bunch of stuff to get on the carpet. Now I already vacuumed this out, but these are my old floor mats right here. And you can see they do catch a lot of stuff, but they also let a lot of stuff get underneath. We got these new fitted floor mats from OEDRO, and these are going to go all the way across from the driver's side over the transmission tunnel to the passenger side. Let's go ahead and get these in. All they're going to do here is slide them across like that. Fairly straightforward. Kind of get everything where it needs to be. And let's go over to the other side. And we will simply just come over here and kind of just get them all lined up. They'll settle in after a few days, but they're actually doing a pretty good job. And again, this part right here that goes over that, now you can sweep everything out onto the ground without it getting on your carpet. And also the back ones, I had already put these ones in, but it's the same concept. I had to lift my subwoofer up and put them under there and set my subwoofer back down. And we'll just go ahead and do that. And I think this is going to work a lot better.